Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general category. At the second place we have horizontal level option, so by using this button we can turn on our leveler and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview and we can see this line here. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again and to this button to turn it off. So for now the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.